So hello guys, actually in this video I'll talk about the industrial hazard, because being a cleaner, you do not need to be go the deep knowledge about this. But I think being a cleaner, we just supposed to be know each and everything, because cleaners need in the every area. So if you are a cleaning supervisor, then you're supposed to be know about this kind of the hazard. So industrial hazard, under the industrial hazard there is an 4 or 5, it's depend. So 4 or 5 types of the hazard could be there. One is called physical hazard, another is a chemical hazard, biological hazard, environmental hazard, and mechanical hazard. These could be the all hazard there. And some is a new one is came, like as in calling the organizational hazard. So it is coming under the industrial hazard. So if you'll be talk about the physical hazard means like as in with yourself, by yourself you are creating the problems on your safety. Yeah, so that could be the, like as in you are doing the unsafe activities, like as they will saying you to use the gloves, mask, and each and everything, like as in a helmet, but you are not obeying to your supervisor or your senior or your whomever you have given the training, but they are not on the present on the work on presently. So on when they are not there, then you are not obeying their all the instrument which they have taught to you. And another things that the in case, okay, by the other people's, by mistakenly or by the knowingly, okay, if the purposely, if some without purposely, if somebody has just pushed you or just mistakenly just push you, then there is a chances of the hazard. Okay, so if you and you slept and you failed, so that is also come under the hazard. So if anybody other persons who is pushed you purposely or unpurposely, so that is also come under the hazard. So that is called the physical hazard. So it is, you can say in the short that the hazard which is arised by yourself and by the others to your body, okay, for your health. So that is called the physical hazard. If we talk about the chemical hazard means those hazard which is created because of the chemical reactions or the chemical transactions. That is called the chemical hazard. So those hazard is coming under the industrial hazard. And the another is a mechanical hazard. Mechanical hazard means like as those hazard which is because of the any machinery, because you are working in the industrial area, then on that time there definitely you have to be go with the machines. And so because of those machines, any hazard is arised, any dangerous is arised into your health, that could be the mechanical hazard. And if we talk about the biological hazard is coming under the medical area. So if you're working in the, like in the working in the hospitality area, so there could be the biological, so many medicines. So those were biological medicines. The medicine is what is called different kind of the medicines, prescriptions, or like a syringe is called in the, I don't know what is the name. Needles, yeah, needles, tablets, those people, those all the things, and the people and their dirty clothes, and the disease people's dirty clothes. So those could be the coming in the medical and the biological hazard, under the biological hazard. So in this, on that situations, you must supposed to be wear the proper PPE which is required to the locations. So according to the locations, I had already told you that according to the locations there is a PPE could be the different according to the work activities, work types, and according to the organizations, there could be the PPE in every place it would be the different. Okay, now we are talking about the environmental hazard. Okay, environmental hazard means like because of your environment, because of your activities, or you can say your organizations, because of your organization, is that any activities you are doing there and it's affecting to the environment. If it is affecting to the environment by the any way, then it could be the called the environmental hazard. So for the examples, like we can say take you are making the some chemicals, okay, but that chemicals is already expired, and you are keeping on the without asking to the government authority, and you are just throwing it the outside. So that could be the create the environmental hazard. So you're supposed to be ask proper agency, proper regulatory authorities, to who is responsible for environmental department of the government. So them you have to be asked and another is called the organizational hazard. Or under the organizational hazard is coming like a if you're working in the any organizations, and their organizational peoples can get the any kind of the injured, or because of the situations conditions they got the any kind of the injuries. So they're supposed to be the safety officers supposed to tell to those people, please take a risk. If you are continuously doing the work in that sitting the chairs, or continuously standing work, then security officer supposed to say them that to go out, take a rest, take a 10 minutes, 20 minutes break. So like that security supervisor supposed to be say. So that what the this all hazard is coming under the industrial area. This is the only detail I have not explained in the detail, because I also don't know. I know, but actually I could not say this all the this is all the just name on the types, which only helps you just understand that what exactly the meaning of industrial hazard. Under the industrial hazard, which kind of the hazards are coming. So that's you already only discuss in this video.